Hello students, good afternoon everyone. Today I have come with another topic. I can say very important topic for every student. Not only for CBSE board but also for UP board. So the topic is informal letter. First thing is that what is informal letter? Informal means a letter that we write for our friends, family or relatives. These are known as informal letter. Second thing, today we will talk about the format of informal letter. After that I will write one informal letter so you can do it very well. Remember, I am repeating one thing in not only CBSE board exams but also in UP board exams. You will find either informal or formal letter. At least 8 marks. As I know in CBSE board, you will get 8 marks for informal or formal letter. So this is very important, and I promise you one thing. If you see this format very well, you will find you can write any informal letter very easily. So first thing is, what is informal letter? Informal means a letter that we write for our family, friends or relatives are known as informal letter. Second thing, now we will talk about the format. Then format will be, first thing, writer's address. Writer's address. I am going to write here, for example, near Gandhi School, Achalda Road, Bidhuna. Then pin 206243. Remember, this is writer's address, or we can say that this is sender's address. First thing we will write. Second thing, we will write date. For example, this is very important thing. Date. For example, today 18 June 2020 or 2020. This is the date. One more thing, you can ask one thing, sir, which date we will write? For example, we are writing a letter to our friend inviting him in my brother's marriage. Then which date we will write? Remember, you will write that date when you are writing the letter. For example, today is 18 June 2020, so we will write the date of today only. One more thing you can also ask, what is the format of date? Remember, my dear students, format of date will be like this. First thing, DD MM YY. You will write in this format. First, D means date, M means month, and Y means year 2020. We can't write date in this format. 86/2020. This is wrong format. Remember, we will write in this format. Next thing, we will talk about date. After date we will write salutation. This is the important thing. Remember, we do not write subject in informal letter So we will write salutation. Salutation means, for example, we are writing for our friend, so we will write here, dear friend. After that, we can also write here name of the friend. No problem, this is salutation. Then, the most important thing, we will write body of the letter. Body of the letter, if we talk about body of the letter, I am going to write here, body of the letter means, three things will be included here. First one is introduction. Second thing is content. And third thing is conclusion. We can write in this format body of the letter. So we will write here body of the letter. Then at the last we will write subscription. Subscription means, for example, we will write here yours loving friend. This is subscription. And at the last, we will write here sender's name. For example, sender's name is Sumit Singh. So this is sender's name. Sender's name is your name. I want to include something also. Remember, after salutation, we do not use comma. Comma should be avoided. Remember, we don't use here comma. This is wrong. Next important thing, in subscription, we do not use apostrophe.